Jairam Ramesh asks,
I don't need to Arnab.
Correct. Yeah.
Jairam Ramesh asks, what is the additional cash you are putting into the system over the next 6 months? The problem with Jairam Ramesh is, again, the same problem that Syed Asad Abbas faces. In fact, there's no difference between Jairam Ramesh and Syed Asad Abbas. They both make comments without thinking of the fact that they have to be backpedaled with facts. 6,000 crores Manasvi has gone into tribal welfare. 9,250 crores has gone into providing EPFO relief for the Aam Aadmi. 5,000 crores alone has gone to street vendors. That is additional cash. Why are these questions being raised? Why are these people not looking at the thing in detail and then commenting? Manasvi.
Arnab ji, just give me 30 seconds to
please.
ask couple of questions to Mr. Zafar.
Zafar,
ji,
okay,
if he
Zafar,
can answer it, we'll have a better clarity on this particular. Yeah. Zafar ji, it's an excellent agri-budget, we can say. It's a long-term vision. It's a beautiful vision. I have one question to you, which is very pertaining and it is very important for you to answer. Why? Because on 11 September 2019, there was a news update from the Prime Minister's office, which is also there in the website of the primeminister.gov.in, which said that there is a fund which is directly being allocated in the name of National Animal Defense Control Program for Foot and Mouth Disease, which is for the tune of 12,000 crore 652. It is now similarly repackaged. The same funda is put back with the amount of 13,343 crore. Is it repackaged?
Can I just respond?
For that understanding of 11 September, it was for 5 years. And now it is again being announced. So was it not used for the last 6-7 months? Or it has been used, it is going to be utilized now when, where we don't know. There is no clarity. This is one question. Please do answer this because it's very pertaining to know that you are announcing two packages of the same nature again and again. Now,
can he answer that? I understand the point. No, I understand the point. No, what's your question? I understand the point. The point being made here by Manasvi is you are repackaging old schemes, right? That's the point you're making, right, Manasvi? You are saying within the 20 lakh crore, there's a repackaging of old schemes. Okay.
For this particular,
he's given an example here. Please give a specific reply, Zafar.
Foot and mouth disease. Which,
no.
Yeah.
I heard you. He heard you as well. Reply.
Let me respond. In fact, whatever announcement have been made so far, and if you just compare with the February budget, there will be some, looks like there is some repetitive and some repetition because of the, it may match with the earlier schemes. But the Honorable Finance Minister has very clearly articulated and said that the numbers, how much additional allocation is being made, once all the press conference are over, then I will give you the maths. Every single statement and the allocation has been made, whether it's over and above or partly it is coming from the budget. But this particular case, wherever she has very clearly said that additional allocation is being made, she has made it very clear. In this case also, mouth and foot disease, whatever has been allocated, it is over and above which earlier
I think that answers it. When he says over and above, it answers it.
And
when he says over and above, it answers it. Now,
the Finance Minister has clarified that he will give you
now
the
another
maths of 20 lakh crore on the last day after all the announcements are made. I have few questions because I know that exactly if you really want to go through everything, you may, and you see the budget, there will be some repetitive questions and repetitions in this, like even in agriculture budget.
Zafarji, I have a question because you are supposed to answer because you are in the government.